In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut some stone with a Stihl saw. So the first thing you want to do is mark the length you want your stone to be cut at. Then we're going to use a square to square the line across to get a nice straight cut. You can use a stone or a piece of chalk to mark your line. Next, we're going to turn the stone over and mark it on the other side because it's quite thick and it's thicker than our Stihl saw blade can cut in one pass. Now we're going to square our line around, right the way around our stone, so we have a mark on all four sides. Try and square your line off the straightest side of the stone. In order to keep the dust levels down, you can connect your Stihl saw up to a hose pipe. Make sure you turn your hose pipe on before you start using the Stihl saw in order to aid with dust suppression. Can you explain how you start it?
So press the decompression button, set the throttle to on and start it. Might need a bit of choke.
Once you've cut as deep as your Stihl saw will go, you'll then have to turn the stone over and cut from the other side. If your stone doesn't break cleanly all the way through, you might need to split it with a lump hammer and a cold chisel. That's how you would cut a piece of stone using a Stihl saw. If you found this video helpful, drop us a like, and if you want to see more how-to tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.